Hey everybody, Mike here. I'm behind the camera. Across from me there is Brandon Walvatny, the newest NSS family coach. So Brandon is here today to just give us all a little bit of information about himself. So Brandon, if you wouldn't mind, could you just kind of let everybody know your background and education?
Hey everyone, I'm Brandon. I went to school here in Alec at Alec Tech for the last 2 years. Just graduated a couple of weeks ago with a degree in health and fitness.
Awesome. So what are some of your hobbies outside of personal training and the gym that you enjoy doing?
So I'm a dad of 2 kids, so spending time with the kids is a lot of fun. I do a lot of hunting and fishing in my off time. So if I'm not hunting and fishing, it's spending time with the family, and that's about it.
How about coming back to the gym? What are some of your favorite things to do, or what's your favorite lift to do if you're working out?
So some of the favorite things that I like to do are kind of the military fundamental things that we did in the military, like push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, and doing a lot of running.
How about least favorite?
Least favorite, I would say anything that has to do with the core is probably my least favorite thing to do.
Nice. Okay, best food on earth is?
Ooh, street tacos.
Street. What's your proudest accomplishment?
My proudest accomplishment, besides the military, I would say is becoming a father. That was the biggest for me.
What was the last vacation you were on, Brandon?
I just took a vacation a couple of weeks ago. I was on a veteran turkey hunt in southeastern Minnesota and into Wisconsin hunting turkeys.
Awesome. What's your favorite book if you had to choose one?
So if I had to choose, it would be, I'm kind of a nerd, so I would be any of the Harry Potter books.
Brandon, do you collect anything?
I collect, I collect a lot of hunting memorabilia, old antique guns and stuff like that.
Awesome. What is the longest amount of time you've gone without sleep?
I probably would say probably about 3 days when I was in the military. We were on doing some missions overseas, so we definitely didn't have time to sleep during those missions. So,
That is intense. How about one more thing about you? What should everybody know?
I'm a pretty open guy. I like being around other people, like spending time with the family. I'm pretty open, so if you ever have any questions or if you ever want to talk about something, just let me know.
Awesome. Thanks, Brandon. We're happy to have you.
Thanks, everyone.